The responsibility that we are assigned with as treatment providers is awesome. It's a huge responsibility. It's a human life in your hands. And sometimes people don't quite get that about mental health, but these are brain diseases that are disrupting a person's thinking organ, the one that keeps us safe, the one that keeps us out of trouble, the one that keeps us alive. So for a lot of our patients, these really are potentially fatal illnesses, and for some of them, it ends up being a fatal illness. So we have a huge responsibility to do what we do and to do it in ways that are not going to end up harming the patient. Treatment itself is painful. Recovery is painful. Change is painful. So there sometimes can be a confusion between pain and harm. There's pain in getting a knee replacement. Could you make the argument that, well, you're harming the skin when you slice it open with a razor to start the operation? You are, but the bigger picture is you're replacing the knee, and after 2 months, you know that you'll be at this level of functioning, and after a year, you'll have full function of your knee again. So it's similar with regards to what we do in mental health. Unfortunately, there are certain aspects of organizations, characteristics of organizations, where what we bring to the organization gets played out there. And unhealed people hurt people, hurt people hurt people. People that have done their own healing, people that are aware, trauma aware, and aware of their own presence in an organization and their own behavior and how that impacts the bottom line of the organization. And I'm not speaking finances, I'm speaking final product, which in our case is patient care and patients' lives. People who don't come into organizations with that kind of self-reflection, organizations that aren't set up to support self-reflection at all levels of staff, end up being places that many times inadvertently hurt people. From neglect, things being missed, special relationships, all the way to abuse, sexual abuse, re-traumatization of people that are coming to you specifically because they're a vulnerable population.